Hi friends, this is Devansh Lakhani here from Lakhani Financial Services. With every passing year and decade, the investing landscape in India has been changing and a new asset class is being born. In fact, not only being born, but huge wealth has been created by investors who have participated in that asset class. Let's take a few examples. From 1991 to 2000, we saw that retail investors have made huge amount of money in the stock markets, and many corporates got listed during that period in time. After the dot-com bubble in 2000-2001, the asset class got changed to gold and real estate, where again investors, big and small alike, could make huge amount of wealth. Post that, there was a housing bubble in the US, and after that, from 2010-11 to 2018-19, or even till 2020, huge amount of wealth was created by retail investors by investing again in the stock markets, this time probably by different routes, maybe mutual fund. And also there was a new asset class called Bitcoin being born, and people have made money out there also. So now post COVID, I firmly believe that now is the time for investors to make huge amount of money by investing in startups, because this is where the landscape of investing is changing from this decade onwards. Guys, there's a huge change sweeping through the world of business, especially post COVID, and whose full import is yet to sink in. Advances in technology are accelerating at an extraordinary rate, and whose effect will be to turn upside down virtually everything that we think we know about business and finance. The power of technology is doubling its speed. At the same time, the cost is being halved, and all industries are being used to enabling technology in their businesses. It will not be difficult to assume that the firms and the businesses that will succeed will need to and have to embrace, enable and use effective technology. There lies a great opportunity for people with even a basic sum of capital to get invested in startups, especially which enables technology, which uses technology, and can create huge wealth for them in the long run. Guys, let's consider a few examples of sectors and industry where changes have happened and are still happening and undergoing a change. Retail bookselling, education, taxi business, music and entertainment, agriculture. In all these cases, an existing business has been completely upended by changes in technology. The biggest and the most valuable companies of tomorrow are being formed today. So it is only wise for every investor and every person to start embracing such companies and such businesses, and probably start investing in such companies with a very basic amount of capital and risk appetite. Trust me guys, this kind of investing can be very lucrative in the long run and can be fun also. The combination of advancing technology, changing regulations, dropping startup costs, and professional investment advisors like us means that now it is very much possible for serious investors to consider angel investment in the right way. While there is no doubt that there is a certain amount of risk involved by investing in high risk asset classes like startups, but stats have proven that when you take prudent risk, you create a proper portfolio of startups and a professional approach, you are likely to generate higher returns than any other asset class in the world. Trust me, this can be huge learning experience, huge wealth creation, and a lot of fun while you start investing in startups. Guys, if you have really liked the content and liked the video that we have produced out here, if you like the way that angel investing is going to take off in the next decade, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll make sure that we produce the best content and make you learn every day.